Now we stopped at another vista point. Today is 17th of May 2022. You can see a waterfalls way up there coming down and feeding this river. And I took a picture so I get the latitude and longitude. And I heard somebody say the Merced or something. So I don't know if that's true, but we're right on the highway here. Cars going by, and we're down here, and our van is further down there. But yeah, there it is, just a little view. There's the road going down. We're going to go down, and the road goes down the side of the hill, and I think we're working our way down the valley. But yeah, make sure you see that waterfalls somewhere back up in there. All right, moving on. Today, another day. Going to be an easier day. No big strenuous hikes today.
Rocks where they pounded acorns, not grind them. Some places called grinding stones. These are known as pounding stones for the black oak acorn. And you can see all the divots, starting with these little ones here. Grandma would teach mom would teach the granddaughter. Guys would be hanging out.
Watching.
Hunting, that's right. We were doing stuff.
Sure. We're hunting. We're busy hunting.
But here, you know, this was a big part of the day. And you would process your acorns once they dried out, pound them down into a flour so fine that you'd think it was store-bought. And you could make all sorts of different type meals out of it, whether it was a biscuit soup or a cake, or you could add cedar to it, and it would release oils and make kind of a colloid, a little jellified meal. And amazing what they could do. They had to leach the tannins out, but you know, Grandma did it for like 5 decades. A rock that was 5 to 10 pounds over and over, and it really evolved into a saying amongst the Ahwahnee. Don't mess with Grandma. That's the saying right there. Don't mess with Grandma. She's doing CrossFit every day.
All right, this is where we're going. Yosemite Falls, 1.4 miles on the trail here. Here we go. Woo!
Here we got an interesting thing. Somebody had to blast that boulder out of the way.
Yeah.
Absolutely. The nice thing is
roadkill too.
Yeah, getting some of that. Oh yeah.
Fresh. What's
great food source for our ravens.
Yeah, yeah. They'll pick that.
Yeah, even some of the bears, pretty opportunitarian. So looking up at this wall, as you're walking by, you can see the natural erosion of granite. I mentioned we had a few glaciers come through this area. The first glacier that we recognized that came through.
Rock mortars, right? They're in the cool part. You know, they're hanging out all day.
Yeah.
Grinding away, pounding away.
With that cool breeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel really a difference in temperature here.
And it's all year, you know, all summer
very
long.
nice.
It stays so
Nice and
cool.
cool. Definitely, even some really chilly spots right here. Yeah.
Yeah, so you know.
And then you walk a few feet and you get a warm, regular warm air.
Check out this stuff here.
You get the cool air. All the
You see this moss right here? This is commonly called Shirley Temple moss. Because when you look at it, yeah, and moss is a big part of ecology here. You look up at sometime at these walls and you think, how is it that a tree has decided to grow out of that solid granodioritic rock? And the reason that the park is established where it is partially because of what mining opportunities were happening here. If there was gold in Yosemite Valley, we would not be a park. Yeah. Lumber was a big issue for defining. Where we're not using our binoculars to look at this oak tree right here, but that's where that red soldier
Yosemite Falls up there. We might get a little closer on the trail, but I'm not sure. So take a good shot of it then. All right, there's Yosemite Falls right there. Here we go.
12-inch trout. How many would that
I
be?
guess you can hike up a little bit further. I don't know. Maybe we will.
So,
Maybe not.
I am
I
gonna leave
don't
y'all,
know.
but before I
Okay.
go,
Like I said, here's trying to look for the falls. Where are they at? There they are, right in back of me, right over my shoulder. There they are. Okay, I'm in the shade here now. Hope the falls look pretty good up there. So you can see down the trail. Yosemite Falls here. I'm in Yosemite, California. Okay, there they are. I'm trying to hold my camera there in the back so you can see them. I don't know how good of a job that I'm doing, but should be doing okay there, I think. All right. And One Man Travel, subscribe. I need subscribers. Come on now, folks. You know, I'm out here. All righty. Bye-bye. Well, I'm coming back the way that we came this morning through all these rocks by myself now because the rest of the group did some other things. This is like free time this afternoon. I got a couple hours to kick around, and we're having dinner at the Ahwahnee Hotel, and that's where we're going to meet. So I'm just going to walk through the rocks here and feel the cool air. And you can still feel all the cool air here. It's quite hot out in the sun, and it's nice to stop right here. Feel all the cool air. Very nice. Should be a good spot if you want to take a rest or anything here. It's very nice here. Strange. You actually feel like really cool air, like air conditioning as you walk through here. And no animals. Once in a while you see a squirrel, a few birds. But a lot of rocks. Look at all those rocks that are falling down here. Lots of them here, all piled up, one on top of the other. Big rocks. These are huge rocks, and maybe some animals live inside of those crevices. I don't know. But there's the top of the mountain up there, or the side of the hills, and they're always looking for climbers. I saw one earlier, but they're hard to spot with the naked eye and see where they are here. But I'm enjoying this few minutes here, taking a rest. They can walk up a little further up here and back out in the sun, and you feel the warmth here. So it's a marked difference.